Hi there, it's George here, and look what I have here. Well, a lot of bamboo rhizomes gifted by someone member of my family from Italy, and these bamboo rhizomes arrived in Moldova. So I'm here in the nature, have to plant in the soil. Look at it, so thick the shoots as you can see here. Awesome. I hope they will grow in Moldova. I think it's moss, but not sure. Look at the leaves. Like moss leaves or not yet sure, but hope will grow for me this bamboo, and I have to plant them in the ground. So happy I am because I like to grow bamboo. And we'll see when the new shoots will grow after I will plant in the ground. So I decided to plant somewhere like, you know, in this place. Here we have black soil. Somewhere there around, I will see. There are a lot, but not all are green like that with the leaves, because the road take a long time to arrive and that's it. Anyway, looking forward to plant these beauties in the ground. Let's do that. When I planted already, and remaining to plant this one as well. I had no time to show you how I planted all the shoots, but at least, I planted not deep. And now waiting an update, and we'll see if some shoots will grow from these rhizomes. And I have a small river near the bamboo, and I watered, and now I think the bamboo, this one with leaves, will grow. This too, but we have to wait. As well remain some tiny rhizomes, and I planted in this spot. And I hope it will grow some new shoots, but we will see. Well, thanks a lot for watching to the end, that really means a lot for my channel. And greetings from Moldova. I will catch you next time, bye bye.